Today, the universe has a message just for you. Hold on tight and don't stress too much. Things are about to get better. Just believe in the universe. This rough patch will soon be over and happiness will find you. Here's something urgent you need to know. A police officer might be trying to find you because someone has lodged a complaint against you. This is serious, and it might be time to get ready for what comes next. The person who complained has some personal issues with you, and their anger has pushed them to act. This situation is stressful, and you might even need to think about moving. The police will soon arrive to look into the complaint. But remember, it's important to stay brave. Believe that things will work out. The mix-up between you and the person who complained will be sorted out, and the case will be closed once everything is clear. This ordeal is really a test that can make your faith in the universe even stronger. Although everything seems messy right now, the universe is going to step in soon. The misunderstanding will be cleared up, the disagreement will end well, and things will go back to how they were. Stand strong and show your true strength during this time. Keep your spirits up. It's normal to feel worried and scared when faced with challenges like this, but remember, a greater force is looking out for you during this tough time. Your courage and determination will help you get through these rough waters. Now is the time to look at your actions and make sure you're being clear and truthful. Being honest will help dissolve any misunderstandings. As you navigate through this challenging situation, it's crucial to stay open and ready to share any necessary information. Collaborating closely with the investigators can significantly improve your standing and show your genuine intent to resolve the issue, which can play a big part in your favor. The universe is nudging you to keep a positive mindset and actively seek ways to resolve conflicts with the other person involved. Often, misunderstandings are born from poor communication, and by starting calm and clear conversations, you can reduce a lot of the existing confusion. Trust in your ability to handle this situation delicately. Make a conscious effort to reach out and discuss the issues at hand. It's often the case that when you approach someone openly and honestly, they are likely to respond in kind, which can lead to an agreement that satisfies everyone involved. Once the immediate concerns are addressed, take some time to reflect on how the conflict escalated. Understanding the root causes and the dynamics involved can provide you with valuable insights, helping you avoid similar problems in the future. In addition to resolving the external conflict, it's equally important to take care of your internal state. Pay attention to your emotional and mental well-being. If you find the situation becoming too much to handle, remind yourself to keep your hope alive. The universe has a plan for you and is always there to support you through tough times. Trust in the strength and timing of the universe. When you share your concerns and seek guidance, you might find that your view of the situation changes, offering new ways to manage and move forward. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow. By dealing with this issue proactively and thoughtfully, you're not only working towards a resolution, but also gaining skills and insights that will be valuable in future interactions. Understanding the importance of clear communication, the value of cooperation, and the power of a positive approach are key lessons that will serve you well beyond the current scenario. Moreover, as you work through these difficulties, keep in mind that every interaction is a chance to practice patience, empathy, and resilience. These are qualities that the universe helps us develop through our experiences. Each step you take in navigating this situation is guided by a larger force, helping you to become a stronger and more compassionate person. In times of trouble, it's easy to feel isolated, but remember, you are not alone. The universe is with you, providing support and sending signals through the people you interact with and the situations you face. Staying connected with your deeper self and the universal flow will not only help you deal with the current issue, but will also prepare you for whatever comes next. Each problem you solve, every bit of stress you manage, and every conflict you resolve builds your character and shapes your destiny. So keep moving forward with an open heart and a clear mind. Trust that the universe is leading you toward a brighter future, and each challenge you overcome is a step closer to realizing your true potential. By maintaining this perspective, you ensure that you come out of this situation not just unscathed but enriched, ready to face the world with new wisdom and increased resilience. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. The universe is vast and interconnected with your experiences, offering support when needed. The help you require is often closer than it seems. Keeping faith in the universe and its plan for you can help you manage current challenges and prepare you for future successes. In these times, it's essential to nurture yourself, to reflect on your actions, and to engage honestly and openly with everyone involved. This not only aids in resolving the current issue, but also fortifies you for future challenges. With the universe as your guide, you can navigate this difficult period with grace and resilience. Continue to foster a spirit of cooperation and understanding, both with the investigators and the other party involved in the conflict. This demonstrates a proactive and positive approach that can lead to quicker and more amicable solutions. As you work through these challenges, keep in mind the bigger picture and the lessons you're learning. Each obstacle is an opportunity for growth and increased understanding, both of yourself and the world around you. The universe has its own unique way of guiding us through the tough spots in life. Remember, the difficult times you're facing now are only temporary. Brighter days are just ahead. Think about it this way: even the fiercest storms eventually break, leaving clear blue skies in their wake. This challenging period in your life will come to an end as well. In the grand scheme of things, everything in the universe is constantly moving, and nothing remains the same forever. Hold on to your faith in this natural progression of life and trust that happier times are on their way. The issues you're grappling with today are not just obstacles, they're actually laying the foundation for a deeper understanding and the opportunity to mend fences tomorrow. Believe that the universe is guiding you through this ordeal for a reason. It's a test of your resilience and your ability to trust. By maintaining your faith in the universe, staying calm, and embracing the possibility of peace and resolution, you will find that not only can the situation be resolved, but it can also lead to new opportunities for personal and professional growth. Trust that the universe is guiding you, helping you to grow stronger and wiser each day, and that every challenge is a stepping stone to a brighter, more enlightened future, sculpting you into a stronger and wiser individual. Soon enough, the current confusion will dissipate, and the disagreements you're experiencing will resolve in a positive way. As you steer through these turbulent waters, it's crucial to maintain your faith in the universe. Better days are not far off, and each challenge you encounter is propelling you towards a brighter, more promising future. Stay calm, be prepared, and keep yourself open to finding solutions and achieving peace. Placing your trust in the universe doesn't just mean believing that things will improve, it also opens the door to new possibilities and opportunities that you might not have anticipated. So as you face each day, consider each difficulty as a stepping stone, not just a stumbling block. These challenges are here to teach you valuable lessons about yourself and the world around you. They encourage you to grow, adapt, and ultimately thrive. By embracing this perspective, you start to see that every hardship has a purpose, and every setback is setting the stage for greater achievements and personal growth. Furthermore, keep in mind that every interaction and resolution during this time is a chance to build stronger relationships and a better understanding of others. As conflicts resolve and misunderstandings are cleared, you pave the way for more harmonious interactions in the future. This not only helps you in your personal growth, but also improves your relationships with others. In essence, trust in the universe's plan for you. It knows the path you need to take and is constantly nudging you towards your ultimate well-being and success. Even when the path seems clouded and uncertain, remember that these moments are designed to strengthen you. Embrace them, learn from them, and let them guide you to the life you are meant to live. By remaining hopeful, adaptable, and proactive in seeking resolutions, you ensure that not only will you overcome the current challenges, but you will also emerge from them enriched and ready for whatever comes next. The universe has a plan, and you are an important part of it. Every challenge is a message, every resolution a lesson, and every moment of peace a step toward a brighter future. My dear viewers, show your support by giving super thanks up to $20.